Hello everyone, myself Rakesh Kharra. I'm co-founder of Simbi Labs, and today we have prepared this case study on Excel automation, which is related to HR function, where we will create salary slip and auto distribution to individual employees. Why we choose this project? Because Excel automation is nowadays it is required at various industries in various ways, like managing demand and supply, that data management with the help of Microsoft Excel, and library management. These all things can be done in Microsoft Excel as well without purchasing any costly softwares. So we are in the same way, and for HR functions, we have created so many automation where we have taken a very small part of Excel automation, where we are creating salary slip with the help of VBA macro, and we are sending that salary slip to individual employees with a single click. So this is our today's main case studies problem statement and motto about that. So Simbi Labs is presenting now Excel automation for creating salary slip for HR function in PDF format and to send them to individual employees in a single click.
Okay, so today we will discuss about Excel automation and our VBA project, which is HR salary slip generation and auto distribution to individual. So first of all, Excel automation in HR. So what is Excel automation in HR? Excel automation in HR refers to the process of using various tools, techniques, and macros within Microsoft Excel to streamline and optimize human resources tasks and processes. By automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, HR professionals can increase efficiency, reduce errors, and allocate more time to strategic and value-added activities. Next is our problem statement. First, to send monthly salary slip to all company employees with MS Excel. Second, salary slip generation from Excel data in PDF format. And third is salary slip distribution to individual's email address in PDF format in single click. Before we start our project, we should know about VBA. So first of all, what is VBA? VBA stands for Visual Basics for Application. It is a Microsoft editable programming code that gets generated when you record a macro and use for office applications such as MS Excel, MS Word, and MS Access. It is a part of macros. Macros are what most people who write code use. Is VBA free with Excel? Yes. VBA is included for free in Excel. It is a built-in feature of Microsoft Excel and is available in all versions of Excel, including the Office 365 subscriptions. Users can start using VBA without additional cost. So next is, what is the use of VBA in HR function? First, Visual Basics for Application, that is VBA, is used in Excel to automate repetitive tasks and create customized solution. Second, it allows users to write macros and create functions to manipulate data, perform calculations, and interact with other software applications. Next, why VBA is important? Because VBA is the best way to automate Excel because it's built into it. VBA is a great for automating actions like saving time by performing programmed action time and time again. It is used in Excel to automate repetitive tasks and create customized solutions. So you don't have to set things up from scratch each time. It allows users to write macros and create functions to manipulate data, perform calculations, and interact with other software applications. So those users who can apply VBA, it can make life easier for us who are still developing our skills, right? So next is Excel automation using VBA in HR function. So here we will see some steps like how we can open the VBA, how we can open the VBA screen. Okay. So to start using VBA in Excel, first enable the developer tab in the ribbon. Our step one is go to the File tab and click on Option tab. Our step 2 is in the Excel option dialog box, go to the Customize ribbon, then go to the Developer tab and click OK. Then our step 3 is click on Visual Basic button to open the VBA editor. So this is our Developer tab and Visual Basic button. Okay. All right. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus F11 to access the VBA editor quickly. Then last, from there, you can begin writing and running VBA code. So this is our VBA startup screen. So now we will start our project. So this is our project summary, like generating and sending salary slip to employees via Outlook using VBA coding in Excel involves automating the process of creating and delivering individualized salary information. We organized employee salary data in an Excel spreadsheet with columns for names, email addresses, salary amounts, deductions, allowances, and any other relevant information. After that, write VBA code that loops through the salary data, generates personalized salary slips, and send them via Outlook. With this, automating the process saves time and reduces manual effort. Next, automation minimizes the risk of human efforts in generating and sending salary slips. Ensure that each employee receives their accurate and personalized salary slip. Alright. So, generated salary slip PDF. This is our Excel salary slip, and here is the conversion of PDF, salary slip PDF. All right. Next is our sent mail, that we have sent a mail through our VBA code via Outlook. All right. So this is our PPT, like brief information regarding our project. Now we will do some practical, like how we can send the mail to the employee via Outlook through the VBA coding. So this is our MS Excel screen. Here is our salary table. This is our here is our raw data. Like it includes employee ID, employee name, designation, department, then special allowances, convenience allowances, gross salary, EPF, health insurance, like net pay, and last mail IDs. Right. With the help of these raw data, we have created a salary slip. We have created this salary slip by using different formulas. And here is our employee ID. I have created a list here with the help of data validation. When we click on any of the employee ID, all of the data of that particular employee will shown in this way, in this or that way. All right. Then this salary slip, with the help of this raw data and salary slip, we will convert this salary slip into the PDF format. All right. Then this is our Visual Basic, and here we have write a code for here we have write a code for mail sent and PDF generated. Right. Then here we have created a button with the help of VBA. Okay. When we click on that when we click on that button, the PDF of all of the employees will generated and will shows in this downloads. Okay. Then so let's see the how we can send the mail. So we will click on that button. After clicking on that button, like it will run. As you can see, it is running. Like after sending, we have received a confirmation message like salary slip created and mail sent to all employees. Now we will see in Outlook. Like as you can see, this is our outbox. One by one, the salary, one by one, the mail is sent. to all the employee, right? And see, right? And this is our sent items, like as you can see, salary slip is sent to all the employees that we have used in that table. I have also received the mail salary slip, like as you can see, Megha Chauhan, like so. In this way, you can create or you can generate the PDF by using this code. And here, PDF is generated, as you can see, right? And it is stored in downloads. So in this way, we can create a code, and we can send the mail through the Excel or through this VBA. So, all right.
So this was the our automation activity in HR function where we sent salary slip to 10 employees. In the same way, you can send the same salary slip to 100, 500 or 1000 members as well. It is extendable to any number. So in this platform, in this program, we created salary slip like this. You can create appointment letter, resignation letters. You can create certificates. You can create anything, any format where we you have to collect data from Excel sheet. You can take with the help of little bit this Excel automation, and by that automation, you can collect those. You can create those documents in one and a single click. So this is all about in this case study. If you need any automation at any level, whether it is related to manufacturing industry or service industry or to any function, we are available for doing this all activities of Excel automation. I would like to tell you that what we can create through the help of Microsoft Excel automation. This online quiz application, we can create inventory management system, contract management, employee management, student management, library management, and employee information system. These all type of informations or whatever the customized requirement is there. We and our team is really capable of doing all those things. So if you need any type of customization, you can contact us. Here is our contact details. We are available for any customization at any level, and we are working pan India some for some overseas clients as well. Thank you all. Thanks a lot.